Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. As you know, I just recently got to see my son, who I haven't seen in almost a year and a half because of COVID. So I was up in Oregon and we had a wonderful time. And I want to also thank everyone for all of their nice comments and shout outs that they had about my visit with my son and daughter-in-law. So when we were there, we went to this pizza place called Midway Firehouse Pizza. And this pizza place used to be an old firehouse. One of the pizzas we ordered was called the Smokejumper, and it was absolutely delicious. For me to say, wow, this is really good, you know it's good pizza. So if you live in the Oregon area, Hillsboro, Oregon, I will leave a link to Midway Firehouse Pizza in the description below, so that way you can go and experience what I experienced, which was pure deliciousness. So the Smokerjumper Pizza has not your typical red sauce, it's a garlic ranch sauce. It also has chicken strips, garlic chicken strips to be exact, sliced red onion, bell pepper, this had green and red bell pepper, and then they drizzle it with a chipotle barbecue sauce. Yum! This is what I have to recreate the Smokejumper Pizza. So I purchased some ranch dressing, and it called for organic or garlic ranch. So I have some garlic powder, so I'm going to mix some of that together. I have some chicken strips, red onion, roasted garlic barbecue sauce. It has sriracha in it, and I have a red bell pepper and quattro formaggio, as well as mozzarella. Now, I think the first thing I want to do is slice up the red onion. And I have a video reviewing these onion goggles. Here's what they look like. These are going to keep me from crying and having tears coming down my face while I'm slicing these onions. So let's do that first. I'm going to cut it into very thin strips. And these onion goggles, I'm telling you what, these are an absolute game changer for me. I'm slicing up some red pepper and red bell pepper into relatively thin little slices. And for our chicken, I think what I want to do, I think I'm just going to cut it into chunks. Now I think I usually use, I don't know, I guesstimate about maybe 2/3 of a cup of sauce, something like that. I think I'll put about that much in. Try this first. Okay, typical ranch. And I think I want to add, I don't know, we'll see. See how this goes. So I'm definitely not what you would consider a conventional pizza maker. This is my pizza dough. I make it from scratch. It's a sourdough pizza crust, and I think I said I will leave a link to a video where I make this, but I just kind of spread it out on a greased pizza pan, and once I get it all on here, I bake the crust on its own at 550 degrees for about 5 minutes. So here's our crust after 5 minutes in the oven. It kind of rose a little bit, kind of puffed up, so I kind of mashed it down. That's all right, because this is all going to be hidden. Taking my pizza peel, and I'm transferring the pizza to the peel, and we're going to put it back in the oven on a pizza stone for another 5 minutes. All right, here we go. Pizza is out of the oven. Now I took this sriracha roasted garlic barbecue sauce and I put it in a squirt bottle. And I'm just gonna squirt this on here like that. This is how it was served to us. There we go. Now I just have to get the master pizza cutter in here. And here we go. Hear that crispy crust? Now all I need to do is taste this and see if I came anywhere close to what I tasted the other day. Oh yes. I think I nailed it. This is really, really good. The chicken and the bell pepper, and the sriracha barbecue sauce. And that ranch dressing. I think I did it justice.